Okay, today's topic is workshop. Please enroll yourself for this workshop, Geometric Anatomy of Physics. In this workshop, our objective is framing a problem of physics into mathematics. See, physics is a natural philosophy written in the language of mathematics, which tries to explain how nature works. So for this, what you need to understand is the geometry of mathematics. How does mathematics look like? Okay, how can I explain this with a polar coordinate system? How can I explain this with a Cartesian coordinate system? How does a ball move, right, along a trajectory? You need to understand and you need to see the calculus. I shall be teaching three things: calculus, coordinate systems and vectors in detail in a geometric format. Most importantly, in a geometric format. You'll understand the geometry and you will be able to frame the problem into mathematics. That is the most important part. JEE and NEET students, please enroll yourself if you want to go for the JEE and NEET. If you want to face the problem of physics, please enroll for this workshop. Thank you.